Hey there, dream builders. Welcome to Building Dreams Breaking Barriers, where we talk about architecture, leadership, and living life to the fullest. I'm a trailblazing architect passionate about helping you succeed. Think you need to be great at math? Go to an Ivy League school? Or maybe you think architecture is just for a select few. Let me tell you, none of that is true. Today, I'm here to break down the myths about what you don't need to become an architect. Stick around because this might surprise you. Let's start with the biggest myth, being a math whiz. Sure, math plays a role, but you don't need to solve complex equations in your head. Architecture is about creativity, problem solving, and teamwork. Software and tools handle the heavy math. You bring the vision. Next up, the myth that only expensive schools or Ivy League degrees can launch your career. Not true. Success in architecture is about hard work, networking, and creating a strong portfolio, not where your diploma comes from. Here's a shocker. You don't need to be a Picasso. Sketching helps communicate ideas, but technology like CAD and 3D modeling lets everyone bring their designs to life. Don't let the fear of drawing hold you back. If this busted some myths for you, hit that like button. And if you're ready to learn more about architecture, leadership, and breaking barriers, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. This is just the beginning of our journey together. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.